Real quick on a show, I installed this light bar on my Jeep. Took me about 3 hours because I had to do some finagling and splicing some wires underneath. Oh, that's loose. I need to tighten that up. But yeah, put this light bar on here, and I want to let you hear what it sounded like when I first went down the road. So what I did is I went to Lowe's and I purchased Auto Marine rubber weather seal. Goes in a clear little thing in the back like that. Let's see here. This is what it looks like. Got the 3M sticky crap on the back of it. It's not a very good picture. Get it here in the light. That's what it looks like. And I took this and installed it. If you can tell, but right here, I found the fins that stuck out the furthest, and then ran a piece under here, if you can see that or not, under there, and then just folded it up and put the piece right there and ran it all the way the length of the light bar itself. And this is what it sounds like now. Like I said, just install it up there and good to go. It's sticking out a little bit, but yep, no more whistling noise. Everything's good to go. Light bar looks good. It's really bright. So yeah, thanks for stopping by. Keep your front doors into me.